Good morning to all. 6th standard biology. Chapter 9, the living organism and their surroundings. The previous class we all studied different types of habitat. The main kinds, terrestrial habitat and aquatic. The terrestrial divided into three types: desert, mountain, grassland. Then we already studied the previous class aquatic habitats. Okay, the aquatic habitats, a pond, ocean, and etc. A lake, etc. Okay. So today topic, the characteristics of organisms. We have so many things around us, okay, but how many of them are living? If plants are living, one entities, why don't they move? If all living things move, are buses and cars living things too? No. The answer to all this question is that living things exhibit certain features. These features help us decided if they are living or non-living one. The following characters are based on which the student can easily conclude if an entity is living or not. Okay, you see the slide, the living things habitat. Okay, living things have certain common characteristics that distinguish them from non-living ones. Living things need food, move, respire, respond to stimuli, reproduce, excrete, and grow. Few non-living things to exhibit some of these characters, but not all of them. Therefore, anything that exhibit all these 7 characters of a living one. The first one is growth. The first one is growth, and the second one stimuli, the third one food, fourth one respire, then fifth one reproductions, and cells. The living things are made up of cells. Then the movement. These are the living ones characters. Okay, it's a characters. So what is the living things? Living things is organisms. Okay, an organism is simplified defined as any living thing ranging from microscopic bacteria to large elephant and everything in between. Different types of plants and animals are found in the different areas. Okay, plants are living one, but they do not appear to move like a dog or a pigeon. On the other hand, a car or a bus can move. Consider them as non-living one. Okay, so there are certain characters. Living area made up of cells. Okay, first one, it is living area made up of cells. Living being obtain and use energy. Living beings grow and develop. Living beings reproduce. Living beings adapt to their environment. Then living beings respond to their environment or stimuli. These are the characters. Okay, let's explore the important characters of a living organism one by one. Okay, today we goes to a 3 living characters. The first one, food, the second one, growth, and the third one, respire. Okay, today we seen only a 3 topics only: food, growth, and respire. Okay, the first one, food. Living things need nutrition, water, and air to survive. They need food to grow and for life processes. Okay, the process by which animals obtain food and utilize it for all the activities is called as nutrition. Every organism requires nutrition for obtaining only energy. Plants produce their own food. Human beings, that is called autotrophs. Okay, human beings and animals depend on plants for their food, so that undergoes heterotrophs, and some are saprophytes, some are parasite. You already studied. Okay, it gives them the energy to perform their daily activities and energy to carry out life process inside the body also. Okay, then we goes to a growth. You see the slide. So human beings. The first one is a baby, and then adult one. The last one is a adult one. Okay. All living things grow in size, repair themselves, and change with time. Change with time. That is important. For example, plant. For example, plant. First of all, you see the plant. The seedling grows into a small plant and them into a tree. All living organisms grow and exhibit growth in different ways. Their body cells divided and grow, and thus overall growth is attained. For example, kitten turn into a cat, and a chick catches from an eggs to grow into a hen or cock, etc. Okay, animal grows for a certain period only. The animal grows for a certain period only. In the case of a tree's growth, it takes place throughout life. Okay, growth in plants and animals is influenced by several factors like food, climate, lifestyle, etc. Okay, this is growth. Then we goes to a next one, respire. Living things respire and convert food into energy. Okay, this energy is then used for various activity. Respiration is necessary for all living organism. It is through respiration that the body finally obtains energy from the food it takes. It is through respiration that the body finally obtained energy from the food it takes. Some animals may have different mechanisms for the exchange of gases, which is a part of the respiration process. For example, earthworm breathe through their skin. The fish have gills for using oxygen dissolved in water. Listen, the fish breathe through their gills for using oxygen dissolved in water. In humans, we respire for breathing in oxygen, breathing out the CO2. Then caterpillar is have a spiracles on the body segments, and the spider have a lungs. Okay, book lungs, that is called book lungs. Then whales and dolphin have blowholes, that is called a nostril. Okay, these are the respiration part. Okay, respiration is a process in which oxygen taken by an organism combined with reserved food undergoes oxidation and releases energy. It releases energy. Breathing air and releasing it in animal is referred to as a breathing. Then in plant, the plant also have breathing. It breathes through stomata. Okay, it breathes through stomata. And also the carbon dioxide is released and it absorbs oxygen. But the photosynthesis time, it absorbs carbon dioxide and release oxygen. But breathing time, it also absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Okay. So today class we studied the three characters of food, growth and respire. Food is used for growth for all life process. Okay, need all life process. Growth is repair themselves, change with time. Respiration gives energy. Okay, next session we will meet the other four characters. Okay, students. So students all read the characteristics of organisms in your science book. You read the page number 86 to page number 89, respiration. Okay, thank you.